Hey guys, Mr. Mulberry here. I'm just coming back on to say, thanks for the great response. Since I've already got some subscribers and some people that might watch the videos, I'm gonna jump right into my first debate topic. So, I went on a website that debunks flat Earth, and I printed out some cutouts for this, as you can see. Basically, my first point is that they say that the debate about the shape of the Earth has been settled for over 2,000 years. First off, they're wrong. People have only been saying that it's a globe for 500-ish years, but everyone knows, even back in the medieval times, everyone knew that the Earth is flat. Their second point here is that it says that it's some bloke, the head of the famous library in Alexandria, in Egypt, famous slavers. They say that he correctly approximated the circumference of the Earth using experimental measurements of shadows in 2 cities and some geometry. I don't know how they expect a slaver to get all this right, because if you haven't seen the KKK, they seem pretty dumb, and they were all for slavery and stuff, you know. So it's got to be the same for the Egyptians, because they were slavers even back then, which is probably even worse than the KKK. So if the KKK is like 10 intelligence, Egypt is like at least 5, probably lower. Probably like 1,000 being the highest intelligence. So I'll go on to the next topic here. They say the evidence for a spherical Earth is overwhelming. No, that's just wrong. Because everything out there is fabricated by the government and scientists that don't want people knowing that it's flat, so they can keep the outer ring to themselves. They say that there's many, most obviously, there are many thousands of images and videos of the Earth from space, including continually changing live stream of the globe from International Space Station. Not to mention all the astronauts that have personally seen the Earth from orbit. So, again, no. Sorry, there's a spider on me. You should be fine now. So everything that we see on YouTube, on VidMe, on anywhere that talks about the globe Earth, and like videos about that, it's all doctrined by the government and NASA. NASA's probably the worst one for it, because I think NASA might have originally started the globe Earth theory way back when. As for the astronauts who say they've personally seen the Earth from orbit, yeah, they probably saw the flat Earth and they were paid to say that's a globe. Next here, they say flat earthers claim that all images of the globe are fraudulent. They are. And all testimony from astronauts is false. Yeah, because they got paid. It's that easy. They say there is zero evidence for flat Earth, which is wrong. There's loads of evidence. You can see that the Earth is flat just by looking at it. It's that simple. I'll switch to the last one right here now. This one's just basically restating it. They say that because evidence here we go. The globe has been clearly understood for thousands of years. Indeed, this is one of the first cosmic factors to be worked out correctly by ancient people, because evidence of spherical Earth is visible to the naked eye. No, it's not. You can see, like, if you're standing up on a mountain, you can see that it just keeps going. It just keeps going flat. And then eventually, like, the clouds and atmospheric pressure and all the, like, moisture in the air builds up over time, so you can't see, like Minecraft fog. And we all know Minecraft is flat. So why isn't our Earth? It's that simple. Really, it is. They talk about Socrates and Plato and Greek philosophers, but that's what they were. They were philosophers. They were not smart. They were just people that spoke about life. They're really just dumb. Like the last thing right here is when you sail toward a ship, island, or lighthouse, their tallest point is the first thing to be seen. Oh, that might be right, but that's because there's more moisture in the air lower down. So it's like glass. If you look through enough glass, it's gonna, like, you won't be able to see through it because glass isn't completely transparent. Yeah, so yeah, because there's more moisture closer down, it's like having more glass at the bottom, less glass at the top. Of course, you're going to see the highest thing first. That's basically all that I printed out. That's all that was worth talking about. So, again, thanks for the response for the first video. That's nice. It's good to see that I'm not alone. I'll see you in the next video. Mr. Mulberry out. Catch you later.